Happy New Year card 2026. Dear friend Aditya, Happy New Year. Dear friend Aditya, Happy New Year. May the new year fill your life with joy, peace, and success. May the new year fill your life with joy, peace, and success. I wish you all the best for your future. I wish you all the best for your future with lots of good wishes. With lots of good wishes. Your loving friend Mohit. Your loving friend Mohit. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.